y'all, it's your girl Tempest and I'm back with another video. As you can see, my hair is looking all crazy, so if you want to see how I transformed it, just keep on watching with my homemade deep conditioner. Okay, first you're going to need a plastic bowl. I like to do as least dishes as possible, so I use a plastic spoon.
That's good.
Some Bentonite Clay, activated charcoal. You can get this at your natural food store. Jamaican black castor oil, macadamia oil, raw unfiltered honey, raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and last but not least, water. First, you're going to need a 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of bentonite clay. I use a 1/4 cup depending on how long or thick your hair is. Then you're going to need a tablespoon of activated charcoal, 3 tablespoons of castor oil, 2 tablespoons of macadamia oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, and like a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of ACV, which is which is apple cider vinegar. And then you're gonna pour as much water as you want consistent, if that makes sense. So you pour it, stir it up. I like that consistency, so I'm gonna keep it there, but if you want it more liquidy or thicker, you put less or more water. Alright, so you're gonna need a Y2 comb, ponytail holder or some clips, and some water, of course. So I'm just parting my hair right now into like a medium section, not too big, not too small, spritzing it with some water so the deep conditioner can take better, my hair can take the deep conditioner better. And you see me finger detangling my hair right now, just so it can be easier for me to comb through it after I put the conditioner in, because the clay starts to dry and it gets hard when it dries. And I'm showing you the clay right there. And as much as I'm putting on. And y'all, this feels so good on your scalp. Like, it's nice and cool and it feels so earthy. It feels like mud, honestly. So you just want to distribute that from your roots all the way down to your ends. Make sure it's covered pretty well. And then after that, you're just gonna comb through it and make sure there's no kinks in it. Y'all see my length though? It grew. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all that. Fast forwarding through it because I'm sure y'all don't want to see me do the whole head. My baby started crying, so I had to go get her, and now I have her. Say hey to Divinity. So after that, you just want to rub it across your edges, the front and the back. Make sure it's distributed nice and well, and then also on your ends, of course. Always want to make sure you have enough products on your ends. Alright, so now that that's done, I washed it out, and this is how it looks. Nice and moisturized, and I didn't put any product in it yet, but I am about to do a wash and go. Can't see that product I'm using, it's Eden's Natural Pudding Souffle, and It works really well. Real soft, has a nice amount of slip, and it smells like coconut. I'm also using Jamaican black castor oil to seal in the moisture, like I always do. And the Eco Gel, the castor oil, shea butter, and olive oil. That mixture works really well. And that one also smells good. Okay, so I got all that in now. I'm just fluffing it out, just showing you the definition. It's still wet. And I'm patting the excess product out with an old t-shirt. That's what I always do. And now my secret ingredient, of course, as y'all know, if y'all seen my other videos, is the handy dandy hairspray. And I just spray just enough, not too much, so it doesn't get hard or crunchy. And my hair never does because I never spray a lot. And of course, every naturalista's best friend, a pick. Pick it on out, pick it on out. I neglected to do my edges in this video, but I will be doing them in another video using edge boosters, so stay tuned for that. Voila, I'm done.